Hello, it's Gordon here from Ride for Freedom 2019. I've been invited to be a KitBrix ambassador. KitBrix make a lot of really high performance kit which is used by triathletes, cyclists, swimmers, runners. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the kit they've sent me. We'll start off first of all with the KitBrix. It's a really high duty, high performance backpack with compartments to store your footwear, helmet, maybe any wet gear that you have. There's another compartment here where you put your dry gear. It's got room for a laptop back here, and also a compartment for keys, etc, etc. Really nice piece of kit, really nicely styled. Nice chest clasp as well, good position. Really nice piece of kit. The mainstay of KitBrix, the original piece of KitBrix, is the heavy duty bag. Waterproof inside and outside. Really heavy duty. Netting here. Plastic sleeve here to put your schedule. Again, a zip area here. Completely waterproof. Nice little feature here where you can put one of three symbols depending on which actual piece of kit you've got in each bag. Cycling one, running one, swimming one. And you can actually zip these bags together as well, so you can make them into a chain. So ideally I guess you'd have three. One for all your cycling kit, one for your running kit, and one for your swimming kit. A couple of extra really nice pieces as well. This one is called Adobe Kit, and it's a really nicely designed piece to put your wet gear in. Obviously if you're swimming one of your triathlon legs, then that would be ideal for that. But obviously if you're cycling or anything in the rain, you can just tug it off and seal it up with a nice little clip here. And it's completely keeps all your dry kit and your wet kit separate. So that's a really nice piece. And the fourth piece is another really nice feature called the Kit. This is a completely waterproof backpack. Again, waterproof outside, waterproof inside. Nice clip together there. And there's even an outside pocket to stick, I guess, your wet footwear in. So that's a really nice addition too. Obviously these two will complement one another, but you can completely use them independently. So yeah, four really nice pieces of kit there. Delighted to have been sent this kit by KitBrix. I'm going to be using it all on the Ride for Freedom 2019, which is a 10-day, 10-city tour of England and into Wales and Cardiff. And it's a cycling trip to support the rehabilitation of survivors of modern slavery through the work of charities Unseen and Hope for Justice. So it's a really good cause, and hopefully people will donate, participate and support the endeavour. Indeed, this particular KitBrix bag purchased online, the KitBrix, using the code Ride for Freedom 2019, you'll actually get a 50 quid donation will be made towards Ride for Freedom 2019. So it's a really nice gesture, and using that code you'll also get £25 off yourself. So win-win-win, I would say, on that one. If you go to the KitBrix website, you can order direct through there. So yeah, really good kit. I'm looking forward to putting this to the test over the next 6 months in the run-up to the tour, the 17th to the 18th of October, and obviously using it throughout the tour as well. Thank you.